Hello and welcome to Turn the Page. I'm Ruja, starting with this new series of episodes called 20 something, where I'll be talking about some stuff that 20s people sometimes want to talk about. So here I have got some list of things from my friend, my cousins, and some of them are mine. So let's talk about them one by one in each episode. So what is the first thing that happens when we break our teen age and move to the younger part of our life is that everything suddenly changes. We got to realize our responsibilities for our own future, our responsibilities for family, handling them emotionally, or few more other things. So change can be sometimes uncomfortable, change can be sometimes irritating, it can be sometimes boring or depressing. So major of change does not really matter sometimes, but what really matters is that how it is going to affect. It will be something really small, it will be turn out something big, or it will be good, bad, or it is not gonna matter at all. So here you have to learn to handle the things, because see, if you want something in your life that you never had, then you have to do something in your life that you never done before, and this could only happen by change. So give yourself opportunities, give yourself chance to embrace the change and get through this. So let me tell you one quick short story. 2.5 years ago, I moved to the new city for my studies, and I was really very excited until I shifted over there, because in 5 days or something, I got to realize that okay, this is not my place. This is not where I belong, because all my family, all my friends, or everybody was here at my hometown, and I was the only person who moved out. So what mistake I did is I was mentally always present over here, and I was physically over here, and what happened is that I never took any efforts to do something good for this, and it has turned out really bad because I suffer from a lot of things, but I learned a lot of things out of this, and I would like to share them. So here are a few things that I want to share and could really help us. So the first thing is that be prepared, because see, life is very uncertain. You'll never know what life will throw at you, and you can't start preparing by then because it will be too late maybe. And I told you that change is going to affect in any way. So what I want to say here is explore the possibilities. If you know what something is going to change, then explore the possibilities for that. Try to think that how am I gonna handle this thing. This could really help you to deal with all this in very short time. Second thing, be flexible. See, for us, in order to be happy in our life is to accept everything, accept the change. It is a very important aspect, because every chapter of your life demands new you, and this could happen only if you accept, you analyze, and you took efforts to change everything. And the first thing for this is to be flexible to your situation. And the third thing is that face your fears. See, I know change comes with fear. Change comes with the feeling of powerlessness, the feeling of hopeless. It can come with the feeling of not having control over your life. So you have to learn to embrace the change, and this could happen by writing it down. Take yourself out of the situation and try to write down your issues, your problem on paper as a third person. Work on them one by one, and this could really help you to not being stuck over there and let them go. And the last very important bonus tip you can say is to control yourself. See, you can't control what has already happened. You can't control what is going to happen. You can't control what is happening around you. So you have to learn to control yourself, and this will help you to redirect your abilities, your talent, your energy in not necessarily to get rid of change, but to leg upon change. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then do all the good things like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more videos.